Is this seat available? Is this seat available?
Yes, please have a seat. Yes, please have a seat.
Can I see the menu, please? Can I see the menu, please?
Of course, here it is. Of course, here it is.
Do you have a kids menu? Do you have a kids menu?
Yes, here it is. Yes, here it is.
Do you have any vegetarian options? Do you have any vegetarian options?
Yes, we have a variety of vegetarian dishes. Yes, we have a variety of vegetarian dishes.
Do you have gluten-free options? Do you have gluten-free options?
Yes, we have a separate gluten-free menu. Yes, we have a separate gluten-free menu.
What are today's specials? What are today's specials?
Today's specials are grilled salmon and mushroom risotto. Today's specials are grilled salmon and mushroom risotto.
I get a recommendation? I get a recommendation?
Our steak is very popular, or you might enjoy the seafood platter. Our steak is very popular, or you might enjoy the seafood platter.
Is this dish spicy? Is this dish spicy?
Yes, it has a bit of a kick, but we can make it milder if you prefer. Yes, it has a bit of a kick, but we can make it milder if you prefer.
Are the ingredients in this dish fresh? Are the ingredients in this dish fresh?
Yes, we use only fresh, locally sourced ingredients. Yes, we use only fresh, locally sourced ingredients. Do you have any allergies we should know about? Do you have any allergies we should know about?
Yes, I'm allergic to peanuts. Yes, I'm allergic to peanuts.
Are you ready to order? Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'll have the Caesar salad and a grilled chicken. Yes, I'll have the Caesar salad and a grilled chicken.
Would you like to start with some appetizers? Would you like to start with some appetizers?
Yes, we like the bruschetta, please. Yes, we like the bruschetta, please.
How would you like your steak cooked? How would you like your steak cooked?
Medium rare, please. Medium rare, please.
Would you like anything to drink? Would you like anything to drink?
I'll have a glass of water, please. I'll have a glass of water, please.
Would you like sparkling or still water? Would you like sparkling or still water?
Sparkling, please. Sparkling, please.
Would you like your drink with ice? Would you like your drink with ice?
No, no ice, please. No, no ice, please.
Would you like the soup or salad with your entree? Would you like the soup or salad with your entree?
I'll have a salad, please. I'll have a salad, please.
Do you need a few more minutes to decide? Do you need a few more minutes to decide?
Yes, that would be great, thank you. Yes, that would be great, thank you. How long will it take for the food to be ready? How long will it take for the food to be ready?
It should take about 15 to 20 minutes. It should take about 15 to 20 minutes. Is everything okay with your meal? Is everything okay with your meal?
Yes, it's delicious, thank you. Yes, it's delicious, thank you. Can I get a refill on my drink? Can I get a refill on my drink?
Yes, refills are complimentary. Yes, refills are complimentary. Would you like some bread to start? Would you like some bread to start?
Yes, that sounds great, thank you. Yes, that sounds great, thank you. Can I make a special request for my meal? Can I make a special request for my meal?
Of course, let us know your preference. Of course, let us know your preference. Would you like dessert? Would you like dessert?
Yes, I'll have the chocolate lava cake. Yes, I'll have the chocolate lava cake.
Would you like to see the dessert menu? Would you like to see the dessert menu?
Yes, please. Yes, please. Do you have any vegan desserts? Do you have any vegan desserts?
Yes, we have a vegan chocolate mousse. Yes, we have a vegan chocolate mousse. Did you enjoy your meal? Did you enjoy your meal?
Yes, it was wonderful, thank you. Yes, it was wonderful, thank you.
Should I pack the leftovers for you? Should I pack the leftovers for you?
Yes, that would be great, thank you. Yes, that would be great, thank you. Can I have the check, please? Can I have the check, please?
Of course, I'll bring it right over. Of course, I'll bring it right over.
Is service included in the bill? Is service included in the bill?
No, service is not included, but tips are appreciated. No, service is not included, but tips are appreciated. Would you like to split the check? Would you like to split the check?
Yes, please split it evenly. Yes, please split it evenly. Do you take credit cards? Do you take credit cards?
Yes, we accept all major credit cards. Yes, we accept all major credit cards.
Can I reserve a table for next time? Can I reserve a table for next time?
Sure, when would you like to book it for? Sure, when would you like to book it for? Are you celebrating a special occasion? Are you celebrating a special occasion?
Yes, it's my friend's birthday. Yes, it's my friend's birthday. Can I order a smaller portion? Can I order a smaller portion?
Certainly, we can adjust the portion size for you. Certainly, we can adjust the portion size for you.
Can I take this meal to go? Can I take this meal to go?
Absolutely, we can pack it for you. Absolutely, we can pack it for you.
What kind of desserts do you have? What kind of desserts do you have?
We have chocolate cake, tiramisu, and cheesecake. We have chocolate cake, tiramisu, and cheesecake.
What's the soup of the day? What's the soup of the day?
It's tomato basil soup. It's tomato basil soup.
Is this for dine-in or takeout? Is this for dine-in or takeout?
Dine in, please. Dine in, please. Do you need help choosing a dish? Do you need help choosing a dish?
Yes. What do you recommend? Yes. What do you recommend?
Should I bring some bread to start? Should I bring some bread to start?
Yes, that sounds great. Thank you. Yes, that sounds great. Thank you.
Do you want to upgrade your drink to a larger size? Do you want to upgrade your drink to a larger size?
No, the regular size is fine. Thank you. No, the regular size is fine. Thank you.
Would you like a side salad or fries with that? Would you like a side salad or fries with that?
I'll have the side salad, please. I'll have the side salad, please.
Can I clear your plates? Can I clear your plates?
Yes, we're done. Thank you. Yes, we're done. Thank you.
Is this your first time dining with us? Is this your first time dining with us?
Yes, it is, and the restaurant is lovely. Yes, it is, and the restaurant is lovely. Do you have high chairs for children? Do you have high chairs for children?
Yes, we do. Yes, we do.
Are the ingredients in this dish fresh? Are the ingredients in this dish fresh?
Yes, we use only fresh, locally sourced ingredients. Yes, we use only fresh, locally sourced ingredients.
Can I see the wine list? Can I see the wine list?
Certainly, here it is. Certainly, here it is. Would you like your coffee black or with milk? Would you like your coffee black or with milk?
With milk, please. With milk, please.
Can I get you anything else? Can I get you anything else?
No, we're fine for now. Thank you. No, we're fine for now. Thank you.